carving wood but doubted your ability or simply were short of time, please think again, because this is the ultimate solution, the Arbortech Power Chisel. Here, a very hard and dense timber is carved from the block with speed and control. Notice how the carved surface is already slick and polished. Even soft woods, which are quite difficult to carve, will cut cleanly and crisply. The controlled delivery of power means that all kinds of wood, both soft and hard, are easily carved with a power chisel. This new product really does add power to your elbow. Safe, controlled carving with amazing results in amazingly little time. Another special feature is the ability to either carve large, deep sculptural chips or to pare fine shavings. This is easily controlled by the amount of pressure applied to the chisel. To carve lettering has never been more simple. The V chisel is ideal for this purpose and is here shown working in American white oak. It really is so simple, with controlled power behind the chisel. The Power Chisel has many uses and time-saving benefits for the tradesperson or those working on home improvements, such as rebating for hinges or for construction joints and for many other DIY tasks. The Power Chisel is a valuable problem solver. There has never been such a powerful and versatile tool that can either be used to carve wood creatively or used by the tradesperson to save time. If you already use other Arbortech tools, then by adding the Power Chisel, you will have a truly versatile toolkit. It's fun, it's recreational, it's being creative.